everyone, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the section of the hair in on itself, then tie a low ponytail. Now add a rubber band in the middle of this low ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself. In another section of this low ponytail, braid it, then join the hair together, roll it up into a bun and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. On top of this, add a decorative pin. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band in the middle of this. Now roll the hair in on itself in this middle section, tie a low ponytail at the base, add another rubber band at the bottom. Now roll the hair in on itself through the section. Wrap this section around the bun at the top and then use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, then take a decorative multiple prong pin and fasten it from bottom upwards and then back downwards. Tie a rubber band to the top of the hair, roll it up into a bun and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin as such. Start off by tying a ponytail out of her hair and then take a bun stick, wrap the hair around it on the ponytail and then roll the hair upwards after twisting it. Adjust the hair around it accordingly after you have made the bun and then use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair, divide it into 2 parts, twist one over the other as such. Now insert it into the middle level of the clip. Make a small puff before you do so. Next, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side. Take a section from the left side, insert it into the right side of the clip. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail into the hair, twist this ponytail and then wrap it up into a bun as such. Once you are done with this, add a decorative clip around it as such. Tie the bottom up as well and fasten it in place using a clip. This will be the final look. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, divide this ponytail into 3 parts and then begin to braid it as such. Once you are midway through the braid, add a rubber band to it, lift it up, make it into a bun. Once again, add another rubber band. At the base, tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, wrap this around the braid at the top. Twist it and then insert it into place, add a rubber band at the base and then pin it up using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by tying the bottom portion of this hair up using a decorative clip. Take a section of the top of the hair, twist it, divide it into 2 sections, wrap it one on top of the other, and insert it into a multi-level clip in the middle section. Next, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left side, and do the same on the other side as well. Once you are done, this is what it should look like. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and after this, roll the hair in on itself as such. Tie a low ponytail at the base and once you are done with this, add another rubber band at the bottom. Next, roll the hair up into a bun, make a gap in the middle section of the hair, insert the rest of the hair into it, roll it upwards, use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Adjust the hair around it accordingly. Next, take a section from the right side and then use a multi-level clip to fasten it in its place. Take 3 sections from the left side, twist each of these sections and then insert it into each of the levels of the clip accordingly. Once you are done with this, comb the hair into place. Take the hair, gather it together, then tie a low ponytail using a rubber band. Make a gap in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself as such. Make a bun out of it, lift the hair up and then fasten it in place using your decorative clip. Thank you for watching.